This video will show you how to connect spots and pages and also show you different status options for spots. After having created some spots and pages, it is important to connect these. A spot with no assigned page will simply get redirected to the URL that is connected to the system. That will mostly be your home page. In general, that is not what we want to happen. There are two ways of how you can assign pages to spots. One is done directly at the spot. Under the page, select the page you want to show via the drop-down menu and save your changes. The other option can be done via the spot list itself. You simply need to check the box by a spot, or multiple ones at once for that reason, which will make the option Update Spots appear. Similarly to the first option, you choose the page you want to be shown at the selected spots, and then click the button Change Page. This will change the page for all the selected spots at once. This way can also be used to quickly deactivate one or multiple spots at once. Inactive spots will be hidden and will not be seen on the spot lists of spots nearby. Any spots that have been marked as inactive can be found by filtering for inactive spots. To do this, select Inactive on the right side of the Spots menu, just above the listed spots. Furthermore, there is also an option for garbage. Heading back to inactive spots, we can now find spot 5 that we have just marked as inactive, as well as 2 other previously prepared spots. Let's click on the spot named Garbage and look into the different status options directly at an open spot. You can see a button Move to Garbage, which is only present when a spot is inactive. So, let's change the spot to active and see what options we have there. Here, the options are to update the spot or to make a new one. Once the spot is made inactive, the Move to Garbage button is back. Let's try it out. After confirming our selection, we return to the spot list, and we can now see that there is a new spot in the garbage. Clicking on this spot, it will now have 2 new options: Delete and Restore. Restoring the spot will move it back to the inactive list, while deleting it will dispose of it completely, and the only way to get it back afterwards is by creating it from scratch again. Let's test it out. The deletion process might take a few seconds or minutes, but after 10 minutes, everything will be deleted. You should now be able to connect your spots and pages together. Make sure that all your active spots have pages connected to them and to deactivate any spots you want hidden. Xamoom. Joyful discoveries.